Learn a new language 1 minute at a time, here at Language Central. Let's learn some common greetings in Filipino. Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Or simply,
Good morning.
good day.
Magandang araw. Magandang araw.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon.
Or simply,
Good afternoon.
good evening.
Magandang gabi.
Or simply,
Good evening.
good night.
Magandang gabi.
Or simply,
Good night.
have a nice day.
Magandang araw. Magandang araw.